Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start as an administrator because changing DNS requires elevation. Open Control Panel, go to Network Connections, then select your active adapter. Once selected, right-click and choose Properties. Inside, click Internet Protocol version 4, then Properties again. This is where you switch from automatic to manual DNS. Do this now so you can enter preferred and alternate DNS addresses. Once done, don't click OK yet. Keep the window open for the next step to avoid losing your changes. You will set specific DNS servers and understand why. Choosing a reliable resolver reduces lookup latency and can add filtering or privacy. In the IP4 dialog, use the following DNS server addresses and type a preferred and alternate address. For example, Google 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4, or a privacy-focused resolver. Make sure to note ordering, the system queries the preferred first. If you manage many machines, use NETch interface IP set DNS name equals Ethernet static 8, 8, 8, 8 to automate changes. You finish by applying and verifying. Click OK to save, then close dialogues and restart the adapter or reboot. Next, open command prompt and run ipconfig/flushtons, then ens lookup example. Com to confirm the resolver responds correctly. If lookups fail, make sure the DNS entries were typed correctly and that your firewall or VPN isn't blocking DNS. If problems persist, switch back to obtain DNS server address automatically. That single rollback often restores connectivity while you diagnose further.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.